Paranormal or abnormal.
Manchester Insurance Company. The footage was taken at Castlefield House on Liverpool Road in the middle of the night. The clip, which was first uploaded in 2012 but is still being circulated online, has long been a source of mystery for social media users, with hundreds attempting to discover what is going on. Dublin, Manchester's most haunted office block, is home to dozens of companies including several finance and PR firms. The clip shows an empty office building coming alive at night as chairs suddenly fly across the room. Moments later, computer screens start flickering to life and the door starts to rattle as if someone is trying to get out. CCTV footage shows shadows moving across the walls, filing cabinets opening and stacks of paper flying around. Watch again to see a shadow moving across the hall. Singapore elevator. The video first appeared online on the 21st of April. Security camera footage captures a ghost in a Singapore office building's elevator. As depicted in the video, two businessmen enter the building about a half hour after midnight on the 21st of February 2008. Get onto an elevator. Ride in a few floors. Then exit the lift. Revealing a hunched, corpse-like female figure who slowly shuffles off the elevator after the men have exited the frame. Watch again. Screaming hotel ghost. The footage was recorded by hotel security on September 14, 2003. A woman called hotel staff to say she could hear screaming coming from room 209. The room was unoccupied at the time. A man from the hotel named John makes his way to the room to investigate. As makes his way to the room, the screams force him to stop in his tracks. He paces nervously outside, looking terrified to open the door.
No one checked into that room. There should be nobody in there.
The man on the phone tells John, "We're gonna get a hold of the police. I would wait for the police."
And I hear it too. But we're sure that no one's checked into that room. Correct?
But John decides to open the door and inspect, and that's when the camera captures something truly horrifying.
I would wait for the police, John. Amy, John's gonna enter the room real quick, just to check, make sure, see what's going on.
A ghostly figure appears to walk out of the door. John tells his colleague no one is in there, but all the furniture is turned upside down.
John wants you to call the police right now, if you don't mind. He says no one's in there, but that all of the furniture's been turned upside down, and the hold on. He says the carpet's been ripped up and that the shower is on, but nobody's in there.
He also claims the carpet has been ripped up and the shower left on. Watch again.
John. John.
A ghostly figure appears to walk out of the door. Something in the sewers. The creature was named Messi, a freakish animal which is kicking up a stink in Merseyside sewers. Terrified staff at Northwest Water Company United Utilities, whose closed-circuit cameras captured the mystery creature, said it was far too big for a rat. The public were today urged to sniff out the pipe prowler dubbed the most unusual sighting ever. The creature, which can clearly be seen standing upright on strong back legs, was filmed by engineers. It is believed the animal is surviving by tucking into fat deposits within Merseyside sewer pipes. Watch again. Hanako-san. This footage was taken from a Japanese TV show that aired in March 2012. This special features ghost videos from all over the world. In one segment, they have Japanese celebrities go into haunted places. This particular video had the celebrities go into a famous haunted school. They explored the school. At a later part, they had the female celebrity go alone in one area of the school. The area in question was the girls' toilet. In Japan, a popular urban legend was that of a ghost girl that lurks in the girls' toilet. This ghost girl's name is Hanako-san. Knowing this, the female celebrity was reluctant to go alone. But after some persuasion, she agreed to do it. While inside the third cubicle, she was frightened and kept calling for help. Spirit orb starts to float around the toilet. And then, someone or something knocks on the door. And the door slowly opens. Watch again. Spirit orb starts to float around the toilet. Someone or something knocks on the door. And the door slowly opens. That's it for now. Subscribe to the Cholesterol Mind. Blow out that candle. And be afraid.
Oink, oink.